this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Knotty Pine. We are going to do a reset. If you're having issues with the Wi-Fi, the actual Wi-Fi router is behind the television in the living room, just above the fireplace. So what you might want to be able to do is unplug right here for 3 minutes and then let it reset. If for some reason you're not getting the correct username, and you might want to take a look and see, but the actual username on this thing is the Aris F032 or the Aris F0325G. And the pre-shared key to actually then put in for the Wi-Fi security code is going to be the BP8FD 501255. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us. You can call the office and the landline number, and that is 208-634-0030.